When Quran mentioned the people that they wanted to destroy the house of Allah in Mecca, called them Ashabul Fil, relating them to the huge elephant they got with. Even people of Mecca, they left the town out, afraid of the big army with the huge elephant they had, waiting for vengeance of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala destroying that army. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala didn't mention that He sent angels or mountains or a flood destroying them. He sent birds, tiny birds, carrying tiny stones as tiny as lentils. The lesson of today that you should never fear how huge the elephant is as long as you're supported by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. However tiny are you are not as tiny as the bird as long as you're supported by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala.